I'm John, and in this lesson, we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To pull over. Anna is a police officer. She stopped David on the side of the road. Good afternoon, sir. Do you know why I stopped you today? Hello, officer. I'm not exactly sure. I thought I was driving fine. You were going the speed limit. No issues there. It's your brake light. It's out. You mean it doesn't light up when I stop? That's strange. This is a new car. Just get it fixed. Don't worry. But before I can let you go, I just have to check your information. License and registration, please. I'll get it fixed immediately. This makes me really nervous. I'm glad you pulled me over to let me know. Quiz time! What does to pull over mean? To give information? To stop on the side of the road? To move with force? To arrest someone? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To stop on the side of the road. Phrasal verb secrets. Pull is a verb that implies moving or guiding a car. We can combine this with other words instead of over, and it's very common when driving. Over suggests that we are going to the side. This is common in other verbs such as move over. We can use this in different ways. We can pull the car over while driving, or an officer can pull a car over, which means stop the car. Examples: he had to pull over to change a flat tire. She pulled over to take an urgent phone call. The driver pulled over when he saw the ambulance. They pulled over to enjoy the scenic view. The officer pulled the car over for speeding. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan or English explorer. Remember, quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.